Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting up our Christmas tree and our Christmas decoration. So my son said he wanted to help out, so today I'm going to let him help, put up the tree. So my voice is a little irritated, y'all, so I'm just getting over a sore throat in case y'all hear my voice going in and out, so that's why. So I had this tree, I would say maybe 3 or 4 years now, and I wanted to get a new tree, one that's more, full and more, one that's more full and that's, pre-lit, so I don't have to worry about, wrapping lights and all that. But I decided to keep this one another year, and hopefully, by next year, I'll have me a new tree. So I may find a good one on the after Christmas sale, or may just find one next year. But yeah, I'm just taking the garland and wrapping around the branches to make it look, a little more full. Even though it don't help much, but I bought this garland, last year to try to help my tree look a little fatter, y'all. Cause this tree is real skinny. Y'all gonna see when we put the last piece on that it's real skinny. But overall, the decoration is what make the tree stand out. So I just love my decoration. So yeah, here's the tree skirt I picked up from Walmart. It was like $3, and it's Snow White with the glitter. They had a plain white one, but we decided to, go with the one with the glitter. And y'all, I'm sorry for the bad lighting. My apartment does not have good lighting at all in my living room. So, I wanted to, film this in the daytime, but I had, other stuff going on. And I wanted to go on and, get this video, you know, filmed and uploaded. So I had to go on and, film it at this time. So here's the can of snow I bought last year, and I like the way it looked on my tree, so I'm using it again this year. And I'm just gonna spray it down, and then I'm gonna let it, dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and, put the ornaments on. So from this angle, y'all may can see how skinny my tree look. And at the top, it may be kind of leaning because I think it's a piece broke off of it or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna stop talking about this tree. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down, and I'm gonna come back and decorate. So I found these little lace dollies at Dollar General. They were like two for $1. I wasn't sure how I was going to use them, but I ended up putting them up under my lamp. And I bought these little flower arrangements you see inside the vase. So I'm going to be decorating it the same way for both of my end tables. So I was looking for some like little stickers to go on my freezer and refrigerator. So I ended up finding this at Walmart, and these are like, they sell for windows, but I'm using them on my freezer, and I got another one that I'm going to be using on my refrigerator. So just like I did with my fall, decoration, it looked so nice, so I wanted to do the same for my Christmas decoration. So here's the other one that has a snowman and it has like little kids on them. And it has candy canes, and at the bottom it has Happy Holidays. Sorry for the bad angle, but I'm going to show y'all once I'm done. And these stickers was only like $1. So I didn't like the way this was lined up, so I'm just moving everything over, to the center so it can look more, neater. So I most definitely got to get me a pre-lit tree because y'all know the struggle of dealing with these lights. They get tangled and twisted, and then it's just a bunch of, wrapping around and going in circles with these lights. So I'm most definitely going to have to get one. And it looks like some of the bulbs are blown, in the middle right there. I got to check on them and see if they, have a shortening or whatnot. So I guess it was a shortage in the lights. It did come back on, so I'm glad I didn't have to go back out and, get some new lights. So since turquoise is like one of my favorite colors, that's why I decided to do the turquoise thing. I did it last year, and this is my second year, using these colors, and they look so nice. Even though I still love the traditional, red, theme color. I may switch up next year, and do the red, because I do plan on having a new tree. So I may switch up, I may not, but I just love the way this turquoise, look. So I found this lighted garland at Dollar General for like $8, and it already has like the lights on it and the little Christmas little pine cone. So I was trying to figure out where I was gonna put it at. So I'm just laying it across my coffee table in front of the TV. So here's some more of my new decoration. This one says Merry Christmas and the other one says Happy Holidays. I got those from like Dollar General for like $1. And these other ones that I'm putting down here are from last year. So I found this red charger plate at Dollar General, and I'm going to use it for these extra ornaments that I'm not going to be using on the tree. And last year I used like a wicker basket, so this year I just picked up the charger plate, and I'm going to use it as a centerpiece for my dining table.